Artificial intelligence has already come a long way, but its potential for the future is truly mind-boggling. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots can perform tasks normally done by humans, such as cooking, cleaning, or even taking care of the elderly. With advancements in machine learning, AI will continuously get smarter and more efficient, revolutionizing industries like healthcare and transportation. Self-driving cars, for example, will become a reality that could drastically reduce accidents and traffic congestion. AI algorithms will be able to analyze vast amounts of data, helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. In the business world, AI will transform the way companies make decisions, optimize operations, and enhance customer experiences. Virtual assistants, like Siri and Alexa, will become even more intelligent, providing personalized recommendations and anticipating our needs. AI will also bring about significant changes in education, enabling personalized learning experiences and providing adaptive tutoring. However, as AI becomes more advanced, ethical concerns arise, such as job displacement and privacy issues. We must ensure that AI is developed responsibly, considering the potential implications and ensuring that it is used for the benefit of humanity.